Hi, I'm Leah. Long time no see. Lately, I've been researching AI agents. From OpenClaw to Tray, I feel like I've tried almost every product out there. From user experience to productivity, it makes me feel like the AI world is just so competitive right now. Office agents have quietly become way more powerful than I expected. For example, Anthropic launched Claude Cowork at the end of 2025, and OpenAI released the desktop version of Codex in February 2026. This shows that people are no longer just competing over who has the stronger model. The real question now is whether AI can actually help us solve real-world problems. And then Kimi quietly dropped something huge, KimiWork. It is a general-purpose office agent that lives directly on your desktop, designed to free you from all those repetitive, annoying manual tasks that drain your time every day. In today's video, I'll share my experience using KimiWork lately. Let's see if this product, which claims to solve your last mile problems, is really as powerful as they say. KimiWork feels more like a digital employee that is obsessively focused on office work. It is no longer just a cloud-based AI chat window where you spend 40 minutes explaining the background of what you are trying to do, and then another 40 minutes going back and forth with the AI over tiny details. Instead, KimiWork is a desktop-level tool that can understand your local files, browse the web on its own, and even split into multiple agents to work on different tasks at the same time. In the past, AI was more like a Q&A system. You asked a question and it gave you an answer. But what KimiWork is doing feels more like solving a real work problem. It directly takes over the workflow for you. I think KimiWork is worth a look for knowledge workers who handle lots of competitor research, analyze global market trends, or write in-depth reports every day. The most impressive tech in KimiWork is its agent cluster. Here is an example. Let's say you want to analyze Tesla's recent performance and see whether your holdings still align with current market trends. In the past, you would have to manually search through market news, earnings reports, institutional holdings, and analyst commentary just to piece everything together. But inside KimiWork, all you need to do is give it the instruction and it will launch dozens of sub-agents. Some of them research market patterns, some analyze competitor pricing, others collect and organize user reviews. Its built-in WebBridge browser mode allows it to browse the web on its own and look for real data. An in-depth research report is ready with sources attached to the data and a very solid logical structure. It can even turn this report into a professional presentation, and this is not just a draft. Kimi has been reinforced in aesthetics and front-end generation. Each slide feels well-structured, visually polished, and ready to deliver. Next, I want to show you 3 scenarios that I think are the most practical and easy to understand. The first one is global financial data distillation. You can directly ask it to research popular stocks and summarize the portfolio strategies of top investors. KimiWork can help you quickly digest massive amounts of reports and analyze whether your current holdings are aligned with the broader market trend. This kind of information processing is honestly on another level, because this used to be the kind of work done by professional analysts. The second scenario is research data cleaning and academic chart generation. If you have a bunch of messy, raw data, KimiWork can automatically clean the data, summarize the key patterns, and directly generate high-quality charts in an academic style. Just take a look at this process. Going from raw data to polished visual results in one step is extremely efficient. The third scenario is cross-border market research. You can simply give KimiWork a product idea and let it research the market for you. It will automatically analyze market patterns, study competing products, and finally generate a complete cross-border e-commerce market report and a professional presentation. For anyone doing overseas business, this can save a huge amount of time and effort. Of course, when it comes to the actual working ability of AI agents, I still think there are times when they can make mistakes, especially when you ask them to handle extremely complex tasks. Sometimes you still need to review the output manually, but compared with the productivity it gives you, this is not really a deal breaker. After all, AI is still a tool used by humans, and it is important that you keep the final decision-making power in your own hands. In this era, one of the best ways to stay ahead is to learn how to use stronger productivity tools before everyone else does. So now that KimiWork is here, maybe your own efficiency revolution should start too. You can think of it as a professional team working for you. If you found this video helpful, I've put the link below the video. I'm Leah. Please like, share, and subscribe.